Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a amazing AI-powered invoice process solution built in using Power App, Power Automate, and SharePoint. This solution helps organization automatically extract the invoice data from PDF and images files and save it directly into the SharePoint list. So let's see the application in action. Here you can see the invoice upload screen. User can upload file directly from the Power App. This application support PDF, images, files. Once the invoice is uploaded, user can simply click on Process an Invoice button. The built-in screen Power App call a Power Automate flow, which is extract all the important data from that PDF. The next, the extracted invoice data screen open automatically. Here you can see all the information is automatically populated from the uploaded invoices. Things like invoice number, invoice date, due date, vendor details, customer information, tax amount, total amount, currency and bank details. Everything is extracted automatically using AI Builder. The best part is that users do not need to manually enter the invoice details anymore. If any extracted value is incorrect, user can easily modify the information before saving. For example, here I want to change the invoice date. So here I will select and change that date. Below that you can see the invoice items section. All the invoice line items are automatically extracted and displayed inside this repeating table layout. User can edit the invoices item, add a new item or remove unnecessary item. So for example, I'll click on this one plus icon. Here we can add a new item. This is makes the solution very flexible and business friendly. If I want to remove, I'll click this one. Then it will remove. And another important feature is this application is the responsive layout. This is all the responsive layout, right? The entire app is built using responsive container and dynamically Power Up formula. So it will work properly across desktop, tablet and mobile devices. Now let me show you another important part of this solution. This package also including a PNP PowerShell script. Using this script, SharePoint list and columns are automatically created in just a few seconds. If the list is already exist, the script automatically delete and recreate them again. This makes the deployment very fast and easily. When you download this solution, you will receive solution package zip file, PNP PowerShell script, README setup guide, SharePoint list structure Excel file. And finally, when the user click this submit button, the invoice header information stored in a SharePoint list and all the invoice line items stored in another SharePoint list. Here as you can see our invoice is submitted successfully. Let me go to the SharePoint list. I will refresh this one. Here as you can see it's added. This is one list, extracted invoice data. Then let's go to the another list. This is the another list. I'll refresh this one. Here you can see all the information is present, right? This solution is preferred for expense claim system, finance department, invoice automation, business process automation. Overall, this application help you to reduce manual work, improve the productivity and minimize the invoice data entry error. And I'll provide this entire solution link in the description below. You can check it out anytime. And if you like this type of Power App, Power Automate and SharePoint content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.